Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction to how to close a purchase order in DPO. Closing POs is a useful feature when a transaction has been completed and you would like to move these purchase orders to a separate list. This allows you to focus on active POs where either not all deliveries have been received or not all related invoices have been processed. Before you get started, please make sure that you have permission to close purchase orders. When you open a PO, you should see a C icon in the upper right corner. If you do not see this button, please ask your DPO book administrator to grant you the necessary permission or make the change yourself if you are an administrator. To do this, click on Settings in the menu on the left-hand side, navigate to the Users tab, edit your user profile, and activate the Can Close PO checkbox. Once this permission has been enabled, return to your purchase orders. You will now see a C button on the right-hand side of each PO. Clicking this button will move the purchase order to the closed folder. One final tip: DPO can automatically close purchase orders for you. To configure this feature, go to Settings and select the PO Settings tab. Then scroll down to the Auto Close Purchase Orders section. DPO can automatically close purchase orders when they are fully delivered, fully invoiced, or both. You also have the option to automatically reopen closed purchase orders if the selected conditions are no longer met. Please note that the Auto Close feature for fully invoiced purchase orders is available only when using Advanced Invoice Mode and is supported exclusively in PO-only books. If you have any further questions, please send us an email to support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call on +1 88 67254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience.